When your computer fails to boot and pop-ups this error message saying no bootable devices found, you might wonder what the message means. Basically, this error means the computer was unable to get any access to the disk that holds boot information, scanning all connected disks for boot information, but getting nothing, or there is something wrong with the cables or Windows boot files. So it cannot boot successfully. So how to fix problem no bootable devices were found? Possible causes could be a corrupt OS image or a boot device is not enabled in BIOS setup. To fix it, first shut down the computer by clicking shutdown. After your laptop shuts down, turn on the laptop by pressing the power button. Go to BIOS setup by pressing F2 on keyboard as soon as the laptop is turned on. After the BIOS settings come. When you first come to BIOS settings you go to boot sequence. After the boot sequence comes, you can see the boot list options in legacy and UEFI mode. First you need to turn on the legacy mode. You can see the legacy mode is off in the boot option. So this problem is showing again and again. So to fix it, you need to turn on the legacy mode first. Boot options do not allow me to turn on legacy mode options. So first I have to go to advanced boot option and check enable legacy option. If you do not allow me to turn on the enabled legacy option, then I will go to the secure boot option, and you have to go to the secure boot enable option and disable secure boot option. After disabling secure boot you just go to first advanced boot option and check it enable legacy option. After enabling the legacy option you simply go to the boot sequence and check it by clicking on the legacy boot options. After enabling legacy mode, click the apply button and check it save as custom user settings, then click to OK. Then after you save all the settings, simply click the exit button. After clicking exit, your computer will restart. When your system restarts, the laptop will turn on again. Then you can see for yourself that the system has booted without any problem. You can also fix the problem by watching the video in this way. If the computer is still the same problem, be sure to visit a computer expert or a nearby computer repair shop. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.